Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you the value of the auditing of plugin steps in FakeXrm. So let's say, for example, you have a plugin that will fire whenever something happens. For example, in this demo I'm going to use a custom API. Say I have a custom API that runs, and whenever it runs it triggers another plugin and to do something else. So without plugin step auditing, I would probably need to set up some test data that other plugin needs in order to be able to test it, maybe. But the plugin step auditing is something like, I want to just verify that some plugin was executed with some input parameters. That's it. I don't want to retest again the plugin that was previously tested with other unit tests. I want to just test from this point of view, from this scenario, in the case of the custom API, that whenever, for example, this some request is executed, then at the end of the execution, not just that request was executed with the expected response, but also that there was some other plugin, some post-operation plugin that was executed for that same request in the post-operation stage. And then is the behavior of that other plugin has separate unit tests. In that way, basically, I just concentrate. Whenever I need to work on that plugin, I just work on the plugin, unit test it, and create the unit test only for that plugin. And then from whatever else needs that plugin, I use plugin step auditing to say, hey, this logic should run. My logic will run. That will call that other plugin, and it's up to the unit tests of that other plugin to verify that plugin is working fine. From this context, I just wanted to make sure this plugin fired at least. And this is cool because when you combine that with the automatic registration using Sparkle, for example, then you can use this plugin step auditing to verify that you didn't forget to register a plugin in source control. Because then if the plugin attribute was there in source control, it means that it should fire based on that request, and so there should be a trace in the plugin step audit as well. So yeah, that's the value. I hope it's going to be useful for you as well. The plugin step auditing is something I use internally to verify and make sure the pipeline simulation was working fine, but you can use it in that way as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe to the newsletter, because then you will get notification not just about videos, but also updates to documentation, new releases, and everything. So yeah, I hope that was useful, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.